Hello and welcome back to my YouTube series tutorial. In this series, I'm gonna show you how to install React Navigation from scratch. Let's get started. First, you must see the documentation. You can go to reactnavigation.org/docs. Let's getting started. And here you can read all the documentation, requirement, and the main concepts. Okay, let's get install React Navigation. I'm gonna use Yarn because Yarn is more faster than npm, and open your React Native app and paste it and enter. It will install all the dependencies. Okay, let's wait. Okay, and then scroll down, and here we need install another dependencies like React Native reanimated, gesture handler, screen, save area context, and musket view. And you're gonna copy all of that and paste it and install. Okay, done. And then you go to next tutorial, Hello React Navigation, and here I'm gonna install React Navigation stock, so it will create some routes. So paste it. Okay, and for the iOS you need to install the pod. Oh, sorry, I forgot. See, npx pod install. So first you must install the pod. Just wait for it a while. Okay, done. And then open with your iOS simulator. If you have Android, maybe you can run it into your Android device or simulator. So npx React Native run iOS. Here is the basic React Native display. It's created from app.js, so here the initial code, and then I'm gonna replace it with back to Hello React Navigation, and here you can see the example of creating a container and the navigator. So copy this and then paste it into your app.js and then save. And then you can see the home screen component here will appear on your main stack component. So I'm gonna remove the component home screen from here, and instead waiting inside app.js, I'm gonna create a folder and create the component inside this folder. So I'm gonna name it views and home.js. Gonna import React from React function home and return view and then text home screen. Wrap it with parenthesis, and export default home. So I'm gonna import the view first. And a text. Why not? It's not imported. Oh, sorry. Then save it. And down here, instead of home screen, I'm gonna use home. And home is from my views folder. And remove the component that you don't use and save it. Okay, it's saying home screen. And then I'm gonna create another component, profile.js. I'm gonna copy this and paste it in here. It will be profile screen and save it. And then from home, I'm gonna navigate to profile, but first you need to create the stack screen. And the name, I'm gonna name it profile. The component is profile. Save it and save. And on your home component, I'm gonna add button. Okay, and the title is go to profile. Save it. And then you must pass the props here, and the props is navigation. And if you want to move from screen to another screen, just pass some props on press. And the event is from this props navigate, and the name of your stack component. I'm name it profile, so I'm gonna navigate to profile and save it. And when you click this button, it will move to profile. Okay, how to back? Maybe you can see it on header. You can back to home, but you can also move it with another way. So I'm gonna copy the button component and paste here, and go to, or maybe go back, and also include the props navigation, and the navigation go back. Save it, and you click go back, and it will go to home or the previous screen. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Also share your thoughts on comment section below, and see you in the next tutorial.